Hello Python programmers, this is a quick video on how to get your source code into the right place, into your correct remote repository. Okay, so there are no IDE hooks, there are no command line pushes, no cloning repositories, no nothing. All I'm going to do is open the desktop version of GitHub Classroom, and I am going to put my code using, push my code there using add files. All right, so first thing I do, I have to accept the assignment. I do accept my assignment. Now, I'm already logged in as GitHub. You may get a step that may ask you to log in to GitHub. Make sure if you have multiple GitHub accounts, make sure that you log in to GitHub with that email that is linked to your CIT95 class. Okay, so in this case I have done that, and I just click on this. Boom, here is my remote repository. Look at this big beautiful add file. So let's say I just did my homework. Here's my homework. It is called Create Python Chapter. Create Python Chapters. Look at this. This is how your quizzes got created. This is a secret program class right here. And it's in Python. And it works. It actually works. So, all right. So let's pretend that this is your program. The hardest thing is knowing where this file is. So I have to memorize this location by looking at this path name. I'm in PyCharm, by the way. It's the IDE Integrated Development Environment that I use for my CIT95 class, my Python class at Fresno City College. All right. So anyway, I have to memorize this, right? It's the hardest thing about doing this. So go back to add file and then upload files. Now I have to remember where that file was. So I'm in Windows Explorer. Yes, I'm on an old Windows box here, but it's okay. I can remember where this is. It was in a folder directory. Same thing. Quizzes for programming classes. Python. Ta-da! Here it is right here. Create Python Chapter 789. And this is the file I want to push to my remote repository. Click that. Click open. This is the most important step. I realize my students, my Python programming students, are always in a rush to do things, and they forget this, and then they send me emails saying that GitHub doesn't work. No, GitHub works fine. GitHub Classroom works fine. You just have to, I don't know, select the proper files, and then hit this blue button, commit changes. And there you go. So in my remote repository, really long title here, but this is Python 4. I just chose this module as an example because I had not previously logged in, so you would get to see me log in with my GitHub credentials. Okay, but anyway, that's really all there is to it. I hope you got something out of this video, and hope this solves problems. We need to thank Jessica for this. Jessica was having some trouble pushing from IDE. I get it. PyCharm, as much as we love PyCharm, it has these IDE hooks into GitHub that sometimes, because of authentication issues, just do not work. Okay, so thanks to Jessica. Here's a reminder: just open up GitHub Classroom, find your way to your remote repository, and then use this add file button. Okay, I hope that you got something out of this, and I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. It is the 13th of March. Oh, it's Friday the 13th. Probably shouldn't have said that to jinx everyone. All right, have a great weekend, class, and I'll see you on the discussion board.